Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your travel information on the Skyscanner app so you can make your travels and bookings easier and faster. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Skyscanner app, then go to your profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And at the profile section, you just have to tap on your details at the manage your account menu. And at your details, you just have to tap on the travel info, which is going to be the second one on this list. And when you tap on it, here you can add all your travel informations, you can upload your documents, passports, and really anything. So next time when you are traveling and you need to book a hotel or a flight, you can just automatically fill in all those informations, so you don't have to waste time twice. You just give your information once and you can use that the next time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.